Hi, my name is Allie, and for my slide design presentation, I chose to use a Coca-Cola ad campaign. This campaign focuses on the Coca-Cola drink, obviously, and really promotes the idea that when you drink a Coca-Cola, you're not just drinking a soda, but you are creating a feeling and an experience while you drink their product. So to dive right in, we're going to go ahead and analyze some of the design principles that they used in creating this Coca-Cola ad and why those design principles were so effective. So the first one is the color scheme. This ad uses a complementary color scheme with the colors red and the blue-green color, I'll call it. The red is found in this Coca-Cola logo in the left-hand corner, as well as in the woman's nail polish on her hands and the straw coming up from the soda, and even we could say the color of the soda. Then the blue-green is found in the woman's ring and her eye, and then in the background of the photo as well. Another element they used was typography. They used two different types of photography in this ad to really create a lot of visual contrast. They used a sans serif font on the type Taste the Feeling, and then they used a script font on the Coca-Cola logo on the bottle and as well as in the left-hand corner. So the whole design of this ad was pretty smart, I think. They put the bottle right in the center of the ad to really emphasize it and bring a lot of attention to it, which they want you to focus on because it's the product that they're trying to sell. And they also used a lot of warm tones in the design of this ad, which creates a feeling of summertime and happiness and just kind of letting go, which is the message that they were trying to convey. So next we're going to analyze the ad that I created and what principles I used to make my ad cohesive with the other ad. So the first thing I used was the element of alignment. I aligned the key elements of my ad in the same places that the original ad did. So my Coke bottle is in the center of my ad, just like the original, and the logo is also in the left-hand corner, just like the original. Next, the color scheme is also super similar in my ad compared to the original ad. I used a blue and red color scheme, the complementary color scheme again, with her blue jacket in the photo, as well as the Coke bottle and the logo again, and as well as her nail polish, which I thought was kind of a funny coincidence. Just to summarize, this ad campaign is so visually appealing because of the use of design principles such as color, typography, and design. I was able to create an ad that works with this campaign because I used similar design principles with color and alignment. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much.